Hello, Patel, working as assistant professor in computer engineering department at Mahatma Gandhi Technical Education of Research Center Navsari. Today in this video lecture we are going to discuss unit 8, that is Introduction to Marketing Management. In this we are going to study organizational cultural, importance of organizational culture, attributes of organization cultural, how does cultural affects the managers, and how does cultural affects the employee. Next, environment concept of organization. Organizational cultural. Organizational cultural is defined as underlying belief, assumption, value, and way of interacting that contributes to the unique society and sociological environment of the organization. Next is organizational culture. In organizational culture, it includes the following things. First, an organization's expectation, experience, philosophy. Organizational culture is expressed in member self-image, inner working, interaction with the outside of the world, future expectation. Members' behavior, attitude, and performance are directly influenced by culture, although it varies from person to person. It is not always easy to define that culture of any organization, but it can be observed in day-to-day activities of any organization. It works at an unconscious level. People follow organizational culture as an integral part of their professional lives, sometimes without even realize it. Next is importance of organizational culture. It defines your company's internal and external identity. Organizational culture is about living your company's core value. A strong organizational culture keeps your company core value front and center in all aspects of day-to-day corporation. The value of doing so is incalculable. Your culture can transform employees into the advocates. Your people want more than a steady paycheck, and a good benefit. They want to feel like what they do matters. And when your people feel like they matters, they have importance, they are more likely to become a cultural advocates. People will not only contribute to your organization's culture but also promote it. And if your cultural does not do this, you may be inviting crisis. So cultural organization is important for any company. Fourth one is a strong organizational culture helps you to keep your best people. Fifth one, a well functioning culture assists with onboarding. This is a particular the case with new hire who have put some considerable thoughts about the type of culture they have entering into company. The cultural at your organization is essential guiding for them. So it is important that it starts with onboarding. Sixth one is your culture transforms your company into a team. Sixth one, cultural impacts the performance and employee well-being. Next is attributes of organizational culture. First is Retention is higher, turnover is low. Employees stay when they are appreciated for their contribution and have opportunity to learn and grow and enjoy their work. Otherwise, employee will not stay. Next, work is both challenge and rewarding. When work is rewarding and challenging, employees are always looking for ways to do things better because they are about the results. They care about the results. Next is people want to join your team. Attracting top talent is rising for companies with a healthy culture. Next is leadership is shared. In healthy corporate culture, leaders actively involve more people in making important decisions. They value input, feedback, and continuous learning. Next, fifth one, there is a lack of complaining, figuring pointing, and gossip. Healthy corporation culture have little tolerance for workplace policies. There are no behind the scenes conversation and issues are deal with directly, openly, and without any fear. Employee smile. Smiling also important with the old ages that happy workers are more productive workers. Next is employee feel valued. How does culture affect the employees? Organizational culture provides a framework with respect to the behavior of employee in the workplace. Depending on the type of culture that is created in organization, it can have a positive or negative effect on employees' performance. Let us look at the few situations with the result in is either positive or negative. An organizational culture where employees are considered an integral part of growth process of a company foster employee communicates toward the organization. They align their goals and objectives with those of organization and feels responsible for the overall overall well-being of the organization. As their efforts are in turns appreciated by management and suitably rewarded, they have a job satisfaction. In such organizational culture, the employees are committed to achieving their goal and thus they have a positive effects on overall performance of the company. In organization where managers are not facilitator but taskmaster, employee live with fear and distance and work in nothing but here the work is nothing but a boring routine. Since they are not involved in the overall organizational goal, they do not understand the implications of their task and hence may not be committed to achieving them. So, organizational culture to a large extent determines the performance of the employee. Next is environmental concept of organization. The organization is in the middle, surrounding us suppliers, customers, competitors, and the publics. Customer means absorb organization's output. Supplier means provide material and equipment. Competitor, it provides similar services and products. And research groups means a special interest group. General environment, it includes the board condition that may affect the organization. Next, economic condition means interest rate, changes, disposable income, and stage of business cycle. Political condition means federal, provisional, and local government. Next, socio-cultural condition means expectation of the society. Next, technological condition means rapid changing in technical environment. Global condition means increasing number of global competitors in a market or consumer in a market. These are the GTO questions asked in previous year examination.